Hi everybody, welcome back. For you today, I am starting a new little series on my channel. It's called the Fast and Fierce Eye Look, where I'm going to present you an eye look that's kind of in hyper speed so that we can just get through it. If you do need to slow it down, you can always change the settings to go down, or you can just pause if you need to catch up. So this looks today is going to be brought to you by the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. So if you have this palette and you want to play along, but without any further ado, let's get into this. So there you have it, our Fast and Fierce eye look using the ABH Modern Renaissance palette. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly do appreciate it. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.